Managing money feels complicated, right? Charts, jargon, market news, everyone giving expert advice. But what if I told you your entire financial life can be mastered with just four simple numbers: 72, 4, 10, and 3? These aren't random figures. They are the four pillars that silently shape the way rich people build wealth and stay protected. Miss even one, and your financial foundation starts to crack. Let's decode them one by one, and by the end, you'll never look at your money the same way again. First up, 72. It's not a random number, it's your magic window into compounding. Just divide 72 by your expected annual return, and you'll instantly know how many years it'll take for your money to double. For example, a return of 12%, your money doubles in 6 years. 8% takes 9 years. 6%, 12 years. No calculator, no spreadsheet. Just one simple trick to see your future wealth. This is how the wealthy think in decades, not days. They don't ask, what's the hottest stock? They ask, how long till my wealth doubles? Because once you understand time is your best ally, you stop chasing hype and start building peace. But once your wealth grows, how do you make sure it lasts when you stop working? That's where number two comes in. The 4% rule is your key to retirement freedom. It's beautifully simple. Build a fund worth 25 times your yearly expenses. Then withdraw only 4% per year, adjusted for inflation. This keeps your savings alive, even for decades. So if you need 4 lakh a year, aim for 1 crore rupee corpus. That's your financial independence number. It's not magic, it's math, designed to make sure you never run out of money while you're still alive. But if you're still far from that goal, how do you make sure your monthly money game is strong enough to get there? Let's face it, even the best plans collapse if your monthly cash flow is chaos. That's why we need two golden ratios: the 50-30-20 rule: 50% of your income for essentials, 30% for lifestyle or wants, and 20% for savings or investments. Next, the 40% EMI rule. Never let your total EMIs go beyond 40% of your monthly income. Earn 1 lakh, keep total EMIs under 40,000 rupees. Cross that line and you are no longer buying assets, you are buying anxiety. But even with all this balance, one sudden hospital bill or job loss can blow up your plan overnight. So, what's the shield that protects your future self? Two powerful protection rules. 10x life insurance rule: your coverage should be at least 10 times your annual income. If you earn 10 lakh rupees a year, your term insurance should be 1 crore minimum. Because insurance isn't about replacing you, it's about replacing your income for your loved ones. And the 3x emergency fund rule: always keep cash or liquid savings worth 3 months of your income. That's your sleep peacefully fund. So one medical emergency or sudden expense doesn't push you into debt. And if you want to be rock solid, go for 6 months. So we've got growth, retirement, spending control, and protection. But how do these fit together into one clear, simple roadmap? Here's the beauty: 72 grows your money, 4 helps you live off it, 10 protects your family, 3 keeps you safe from surprises. That's it. 4 numbers, one financial foundation. You don't need complex jargon, risky trading, or constant news tracking. Financial success isn't about luck, it's about clarity, consistency, and calm. The rich don't know more rules, they just follow a few rules longer. So today, ask yourself, do you know your 72? Are you working towards your 4%? Is your family protected by 10x? And could you survive 3 months without income? If not, that's your real starting point. If this video gave you clarity, hit like, share it with someone who overthinks money, and subscribe for weekly insights that make finance simple and stress free. Because wealth isn't built overnight, it's built by following the right numbers consistently.